and Ninja Puppies. They were born on Saturday. Today's Thursday. 6 boys and 1 girl. This is the only girl. They just finished eating. Usually I just put them right back in the incubator, but they're still a little active. The heat lamp's on. It's warm in here. They're the cutest little things. My little moo cows. She's a moo cow. Look, that's a moo cow. Here's another moo cow. Look at his little tongue. Look at his little tongue. Yep, there she goes. She loves being under the light. Their bellies are full. Look at him. Another one, tongue out. And that's them, the Heavenly 7. They're all really good on weight. They're gaining quick. They're active. Besides now after feeding. This one is the smallest in weight. But they're so close in weight you can't tell. They all have full tails. Look at, there goes all the hiccups. Nap time.